Learn addition.
Yeah!
1 plus 6 equals 7.
Yeah!
5 plus 3 equals 8.
Yeah!
3 plus 6 equals 9.
Yeah!
3 plus 5 equals 8.
Yeah!
3 plus 2 equals 5.
Yeah!
5 plus 5 equals 10.
Yeah!
7 plus 1 equals 8. Let's have a quick revision.
Yeah!
3 balls plus 3 balls equals 6 balls.
Yeah!
4 mangoes plus 3 mangoes equals 7 mangoes.
Yeah!
1 parrot plus 1 parrot equals 2 parrots.
Yeah!
4 mangoes plus 3 mangoes equals 7 mangoes.
Yeah!
2 cans plus 2 cans equals 4 cans.
Yeah!
3 flowers plus 2 flowers equals 5 flowers.
Yeah!
5 chocolates plus 3 chocolates equals 9 chocolates.
Yeah!
Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.
Yeah!